How to make money with postcard marketing. How to make money with postcard marketing in 2023. Hi, my name is Paul. I'm your online and offline mailman. And I have a question for you. Is this you over here? Are you still struggling to make money online? Then go offline with postcards. That's right, folks. I have some really good news for you today. Listen, where you are right now, coming to this video, is by no coincidence. God is good, my friends. And if you've been praying for a way to stop the struggling and the stressing out of making money online, falling for all the scams. You know, when I first, and I've been doing this over 20 years now, when I first got started online, and I've made a lot of money online and offline, being with video marketing and other places, even Pinterest lately is really coming forward with the idea pins and everything else. You know, I only been doing on Pinterest for about a week and a half, and gotten over 10,000 views. Social media is killing it, but you got to have some integrity with TikTok and all that's going on. But anyway, it's such a hard thing in 2023. We have all these automated systems. We don't want to even get on the phone and talk to anyone anymore. So they've come out with these success coaches. And they say that these success coaches are going to close all your deals for you and send you the money. But guess what, folks? We found out that these success coaches are closing your deals, but they're keeping your money. That's right, folks. Some of these big ticket that go from $1,000 upwards to $20,000, and they tell you that success coaches are closing the deals for you. All you have to do is send traffic. Well, guess what? They're keeping your money too. They might give you a few of those commissions to get you rolling, get you all excited. But then after that, you're going to be crushed. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt, the Bic lighter, and the baseball cap. It's a crying shame what's going on online these days. But the good news is, there's a lot of money, my friends, in postcards. It's a multi-billion-dollar business, and it's been here for a long time. We have just lost sight of it. But this particular website that you're looking at, I want to show you something. If you join with me, you'll be getting a website just like this, the one you're seeing right here. And when you come to the bottom and you click Get Started, you're sending 2 postal service money orders. One is sent to me, the inviter, Paul Barletta, and here's my address, 4C Potomac Lane, Whiting, New Jersey. I'm over here in the Jersey Shore, New Jersey. Lucky me, right by the beach here. But Paul Barletta, 4C Potomac Lane, Whiting, New Jersey. That $500, whoever signs up with me, comes right to my mailbox. The admin fee, which is $47, that goes to my good friend, Brad Kaminsky. He is the founder, the administrator of this whole program, which works like a charm. You send him the $47 admin fee. You see, he doesn't get sent the $500 plus the $47. So you are going to be able to be right here, and you don't have to worry about being robbed anymore, because the money is coming right to our mailboxes, friends. What's better than that? We don't have to worry about the success coaches putting our commissions in their pocket. I know it's a sad commentary. But that's exactly what's going on. They say that most of them have all these integrity and everything else, and I don't doubt they do. But why are they doing that to us? We're in 2023. There's so much going on. There's so much financial distress. I don't have to tell you. But people are scraping up all the money they can. Some poor people, almost homeless, taking all their money and investing in these online programs, these online opportunities. And what's happening? We're being robbed. When I first got in this business, my wife used to tell me all the time, there's so many scams. What are you doing? Why are you throwing so much money away? And I just wouldn't listen to her. We all have that shiny object syndrome, don't we? Shiny object syndrome. We get one course, we buy another course, we get into one program, another shiny one comes up. And it's still so hard to stay focused, but I'll tell you what, folks, you get started with this, and you see how quickly you go to the mailbox. You start off with 10 postcards or flyers. We have flyers as well that convert very well. Go to the mailbox, start off with 10, 20, work your way up to 50, 100, and you're going to see how quick. You send 500 postcards and you get 5, 10 sales. It's an amazing thing. But here you're collecting $500 a pop. And that's what we call it, the $500 Club. So it's easy, simple, stupid. A 10-year-old could do this. And I want to mentor you. I want to be your coach. And if you stay to this end of the video, I have a great offer for you. So hold on. So if you are thinking about coming offline, this is the best possible way for you to get started with a new business. And perhaps you're not doing that bad online. Perhaps you're making some money with your program. But starting off with postcards, even with your online business, you'd be surprised how fast it converts. I know how much money you've lost with solo ads, how much money you've lost with some paid advertisement. I know Facebook still has a learning curve with their Facebook ads. And I know it's very expensive for paid traffic. Even with Google AdSense, it's not what it used to be. I think you do better off with Bing these days, with Bing ads. But in any event, who can't mail out a postcard, right? Who can't mail out a postcard? Anyway, if you join with me today, what I'll do for you is I'll help you get started with some Craigslist ads. We're finding out that Craigslist ads work very well with this as well. I'll get you running 2, 3 Craigslist ads, and I'll show you how to do some video marketing and some Pinterest marketing. We see that works rather quickly for the new ones coming in. So click the link in the description and get started today. You'll see my website is sometics.com. That's somatics.com. It's in the description below. And also, please like this video and also hit that subscribe and that all notification bell. And I would appreciate it. You can give me a call also. My phone number is right here, 862-658-2086. With any questions that you might have, 862-658-2086. Folks, I answer my phone. Any questions you'll have, just give me a shout. And also, if there's any questions, I go to that comment section, put some comments down there, and I'll try to get to them as quickly as possible. Okay, Paul, your online and offline mailman, I'm signing off. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. And have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.